Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to make a old brass briki. It can be anything actually. Look from this sort of dull used look to a nice shiny sparkling look. Now to do that you need, I've got a thing called brasso here, which is basically just a metal polish. So the process is quite easy. So I'll just get yourself a rag, and after you shake it, you don't need to do much apart from, you don't need to overdo it. So you just put a little bit on your cloth, something like that. And then you start applying it onto the briki. So you just apply it liberally. Okay, I'll just focus on one area right now. And the way brasso works is you put it on, and when you put it on, you can already see the black coming off, which is really the metal starting to come off with a light polish. So I'll then continue to rub. Okay, and I'll just try to focus on the one area, and just to sort of show you how it's working. And already, without too much effort, you can see this side of it is starting to shine up. What I'll do is I'll continue going through with the rest of it and come back and give you some progress updates. Bit of hard labor, but the results are going to be amazing. So again, let me just show you where I'm up to now. You can see even that little spot in just a couple of rubs is coming up beautifully. All right, I'll be back soon. Okay, a bit of a status update. So it's probably been about 3-5 minutes maybe since I've last had the camera rolling, and just to show you what it's starting to look like, take a look at that. From that to that. Okay, I'll come back when it's done. Okay, the project is done, and this is what it looks like now. So there you go, from a dull little briki that didn't look very appealing to the eye, it's now come out as a beautiful shiny brass, all done with brasso. All you need to do after you complete the job is give it a wash, and then go make yourself a coffee. Okay, enjoy.